Some of the medication prescribed to people from their doctors have mind-altering properties that can cause addiction just as easily as any street drug. What often confuses people is what a drug actually is. Drugs are not just something you buy illegally from someone off the street, but in fact are anything that can cause change in the way you behave or feel. Knowing that prescription drugs are just as bad as any street drug, you might be wondering why doctors overprescribe medication. It's probably because doctors are going by the saying, too much is better than too little. It's sometimes difficult for doctors to know how many painkillers should be prescribed to patients, so sometimes they prescribe a little over. People's bodies can heal at different rates after a surgery, but they're starting to take it too far. I've personally ran into people who were prescribed 4 Percocet for a nosebleed and even 60 Oxycontin for getting teeth pulled. If you ask me, that's more than just a little over. However, not all the incidents are accidental. There's been a serious problem in California where doctors have been dealing with medication under the counter for money. Prescription painkillers are one of the leading causes to heroin use. The reason being is because prescription medication is expensive due to the amount of trouble it takes to acquire them. Recently, a man whose name will remain anonymous caught his doctor selling him unnecessary prescription medication on camera. Ever since then, doctors have been monitored more closely in California. To reduce the risk of addiction, some doctors are starting to prescribe less pain medication and allowing the patient to confront them if they need more afterwards. By doing so, it makes it harder to abuse the drug, and the doctor can keep a closer eye on how many pills the patient is taking at a time.